Hi, I'm Bill Kemp with KempWindows.com and welcome to Tip Tuesdays. So, you're thinking about replacing your windows. There are a couple things that you will not need and there are a couple things that you will need. The first thing that you will not need is a hammer. We've eliminated that for you. What about when it comes to measuring your windows? We do not require you to know how to measure your windows or even how to use a tape measure when it comes to ordering your windows with KempWindows.com. The only thing you need to order new windows for your home with KempWindows.com is a tablet, a phone, or your computer. See, we've made the process easy. You simply go to your iPad, click in how many windows you need, click in the style of windows you need. We'll send out our production manager to actually measure your windows. He'll order your windows. We'll have your windows professionally installed. And guess what? There's no money down out of your pocket until the job is done and you're happy. Avoid the sales commissions. Avoid the salesmen. Check out KempWindows.com and order your windows today. See you next week.